Publica is for the author who wants to regain control of their work, business, and their writing career. They will control exactly how their audience enjoys their content. There are no rules from Publica. All the rules are just between you and your readers.
We created this platform for authors to utilize the blockchain technology to its fullest potential. We give power back to authors and its community.
I'm Joseph Mark. I'm the CEO of Publica, and I make sure the Publica train gets to where it's going.
I am Anton Sapriko. I'm the COO, and I make sure that the Publica train arrives on time.
Hi, I'm Yuri Pimenov. I'm the CTO, and I make sure the train works properly all the time.
Today, I want to tell you how blockchain technology can impact your life as an author, how blockchain can streamline the publishing process without a traditional publisher, and what Publica's philosophy can do for you.
We know blockchain technology can be complex, but with the help of our good friends from Cryptonauts YouTube video channel, we have made a comprehensive video that describes exactly how does blockchain work. I highly recommend watching this video first, then come back to join us.
Essentially, blockchain technology is a protocol that runs on the internet. It runs on millions of computers all around the world that has the same copy of the decentralized ledger. If I pay Anton's 1 Bitcoin, that transaction is copied to all computers running the Bitcoin protocol.
With the blockchain protocol running on millions of computers, what's on the blockchain cannot be counterfeited, manipulated, or destroyed. It's a very robust technology that's already almost 10 years old.
Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency out there. Publica runs on a network called Ethereum that is poised to become the brain of the internet. We utilize Ethereum technology called smart contract to deliver your book tokens. In simple terms, if Bitcoin is a digital cash, then a smart contract on Ethereum network is a digital vending machine. You need a coin or a token to make it work. So we have created the Pebble or PBL token so that your readers can buy your books on the blockchain.
By utilizing the Ethereum platform, we can write a smart contract to do wonderful and very specific things automatically. The goal of using smart contracts is to automate the publishing process as much as possible.
Now, why would you want to use the blockchain technology over traditional methods? There are a host of reasons, as listed here, but these are what I consider the most immediate: decentralization, transparency, and automation.
Because the blockchain is decentralized, publishing also becomes decentralized, meaning that it becomes borderless. There is no more geofencing. There is no more country or many countries where your book may or may not be published. You do not need to worry about digital rights and licenses anymore. Publishing on the blockchain is different from Amazon Kindle in that your book is no longer restricted. Your readers can buy it even if they move to another country.
Because of decentralization, your book cannot be taken down, replaced, or changed. You remain in control.
The blockchain is a huge decentralized ledger. Everything on the blockchain can be tracked. This results in a crazy amount of transparency. There are clear records of sales by book. You can see your sales in real time. Any third party interested in supporting your book can see your market results as well.
The ability to code smart contracts makes almost everything related to publishing of your book automated. Distribution to your readers is automated. Your payouts are automated, as well as ownership transfer. Let's say your reader wants to give your book to a friend. That's automated as well. So no more waiting 30 or 90 days for your payouts. Everything on the blockchain is almost instant and automated.
We made the experience of publishing a book on the blockchain as easy as possible for an author. Here's how to get started with Publica.
To publish your book on the blockchain, we basically tokenize your book. Tickets to a concert, tickets at a fair, or tickets on a plane flight. The ticket is essentially a token. So an Ethereum smart contract turns your book into a book token, and that's what your readers purchase to read your book on the blockchain.
We understand that an author cannot publish a book alone. He or she needs a cover artist, an illustrator, an editor, a translator, etc. In the old model, A publisher would handle all of that, but by creating your book token, the property of a token easily lends itself to pre-selling of your book. This means that we can create a type of crowdfunding where your community can support you in your early writing process. With this model, you can even utilize revenue sharing with the people that help you to get your book ready for publishing. If you want to learn more about how Publica can help you to crowdfund your book, please visit publica.com and we will walk you through.
Whether you decide to go with the crowdfunding process, or if your book is all ready for publishing, we'll need to write a smart contract to create your special book token. Our developers like to explain it this way: if you can say it, we can program it. Like we mentioned before, payments can be automated and revenue can be shared. If you'd like to pay your editor a percentage of all book sales, you can do that. As soon as a book sale goes through, in about 10 minutes they'll get their Pebbles or PBL in their blockchain wallet, and you can even cap the amount that they receive. All of it's programmed in the smart contract.
Finally, when your smart contract is ready, we will publish your contract onto the Ethereum blockchain, where it may live forever and can never change.
Now, because everything is transparent, all secondary sales can be tracked, so an author can benefit from sales in the secondary market with automatic royalties, which is unheard of in the publishing world.
So to recap, on the blockchain you get no geofencing, worldwide distribution, fundraising capabilities, and market data transparency with instant payments. There's no digital rights management, no user license agreements, and secondary market residuals are possible.
If you are an author, let us help you to publish your next book on the blockchain. You're gonna love it.